Hi, I'm Rosa. Thank you for joining me. I've been doing a weekly meal plan where I write down on a piece of paper what we're going to have for that week. Then I show you our groceries and I show you our meals. And I mentioned in the last video when I did June week 3 that I am struggling because summer is our busy season and I'm having a hard time planning and getting meals on the table and done, and we've been eating out quite a bit. And I'm trying to reel that in, but I don't quite have the inner strength or ability to do it right now. And as I look through for June week 4 and July week 1, I have to say I didn't meal plan. I didn't write anything down. I didn't plan, and we ate out as we have been doing before, and I obviously want to do something to change it so that we're not eating out, not spending the money or eating unhealthy foods, but right now that's the season we're in, and I am going to try my best to get it under control. But for these 2 weeks, what I have to report is just that we picked up some groceries and we ate out. So I'm going to show you what we picked up at the grocery store that I actually recorded, and some of it we didn't even get a chance to record. This is the notebook that I use to keep track of our meals, and you can see I left off in June week 3 and did not plan anything for June week 4, and I have been planning for weeks on end since sometime last year, but it didn't happen these 2 weeks. I'm going to show you a few of our grocery runs, and even then I did not keep track of what I spent. I went to Trader Joe's and picked up a few things, some brie stroopwafel cookies. They have this buffalo ranch popcorn, some sweet corn and burrata basil ravioli, harissa, coconut milk and coconut cream, this 3 chilies seasonings, and some pepper grinders. I needed a pepper grinder, so I just bought this small one. Instead of buying the large one, I buy at Costco so that we'll go through them faster. And some yellow curry sauce. I picked up a few things at Costco: cucumbers, cheese, this street corn dip that they were sampling. It was very good. Avocados, these little mini potatoes, green apples, a couple cases of the garbanzo beans, some of the Milano cookies, and this ginger candy. And I had one on the way home and about choked. Did I say the bananas? That's my haul. I made a run to Trader Joe's and picked up some of this Buffalo Ranch popcorn, and I ate some while getting a flat tire fixed today. So a couple bags of that, some beef and sweet potato stuffies for the dogs, 2 bags of the olive oil cooked potato chips, 2 bags of the stroop waffles, and some taco shells. Zucchini fries. For dessert, I'm having a Kirkland ice cream bar, which is like the Haagen-Dazs bars, but they're made by Kirkland Costco. Dinner tonight is an avocado chicken salad. My son had chicken and waffles. I had a chocolate martini, and we ate lettuce wraps that are gone already. Dinner tonight is raviolis from Trader Joe's with garlic bread and salads. Dinner tonight is Chinese takeout. For dinner tonight, we're going to have Chinese. This is food we picked up yesterday, and we had enough for leftovers, so we are going to eat it again tonight, Chinese takeout. And mine is General Tao's chicken with white rice. I have enough for tonight, and that's what I'm having. General Tao's chicken with white rice. It's after dinner, and I am going to enjoy one of these Kirkland ice cream bars. And there you have it. That's the extent of my bad habits, or at least what I've done in the last 2 weeks. Nothing much to report except that we bought some groceries and we ate out quite a bit. I need to come up with a better plan to get me through the busy summer months. If you have some suggestions or insight, please comment below. I would truly appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Rosa. This is my channel, Deliciously Said. I am a 53-year-old married mom of 1. Our son is a young adult, lives at home with us, and we are small business owners in South Florida. We work in the service industry, and it's also a green industry. That's one of my dogs, Violet. We have 3 dogs. I started this series of writing down what we were going to eat for dinner every week and our groceries to try to hone in what we were doing and eat at home more. And it's quite normal for us to fall off the rails in the summer. So hopefully you'll come back and watch a video where I actually pull it together and get meals on our table. Thank you for watching and coming along with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.